Assalamu alaikum class 9. Hope you will be good and you will be safe at home. We are doing tenses. In tenses we have done present tense all. I have started past tense, and in past tense first two classifications we have done, such as we have done past indefinite tense and past continuous tense. Today I am going to start past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Today date is 6/7/2020. It's my 14th lecture and day is Monday. See, the past perfect. The past perfect tense is used to describe an action complete at some point in the past. So it is complete action in the past time, in some point कि किसी point पे past time में action complete होगा, completion होगी action की. That will be past perfect tense. See the example. I had left the house before it started rain. So there are two tenses given. First sentence, I had left the house. Had and third form of verb is past perfect tense. Before it started rain. Started is second form of verb, so it is past indefinite tense. In this sentence, two sentences are given. Before, after before we will write past indefinite tense. Before के बाद जो sentence आएगा उस पर हमने past इंडेफिनेट टेंस लिखना है, और बिफोर से पहले जो सेंटेंस है उसमें हमने पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस लिखना है. आई हैड लेफ्ट द हाउस, मैं घर छोड़ चुका था. बिफोर इट स्टार्टेड रेन, के बारिश शुरू होने से पहले. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी विल डू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. दे हैड टेकन देयर मील्स बिफोर द गेस्ट अराइव्ड. सी, आफ्टर बिफोर वी राइट अराइव्ड, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. बिफोर द गेस्ट अराइव्ड इट इज़ पास्ट indefinite tense, and before the rest of the first sentence is past perfect tense. Had and third form of verb is written taken. The match started after I had left the playground. So if we write after, before के बाद जो sentence था वो past indefinite tense था. अगर after आएगा तो after के बाद हमने past perfect tense लिखना है, had and third form of verb, और इससे पहले कुछ जो sentence होगा वो past indefinite tense होगा. The match started, मैच शुरू हो चुका था. आफ्टर आई हैड लेफ्ट द प्ले ग्राउंड, उसके बाद यानी मेरे प्ले ग्राउंड से जाने के बाद मैच स्टार्ट हो गया. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. अगर बिफोर आएगा तो हमने पास्ट इंडेफिनेट टेंस लगानी है. अगर आफ्टर आएगा तो हमने पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस लगाना है. उससे पहले का जो सेंटेंस होगा वो पास्ट इंडेफिनेट टेंस होगा, और बिफोर से पहले का जो सेंटेंस होगा वो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस होगा. सी द एक्टिविटी. Put the verb in brackets in the correct form, either past indefinite tense or past perfect tense. After you leave, I go to sleep. After के बाद का जो sentence होगा, after के बाद का sentence past perfect है, हमने यहाँ past perfect लगाना है. After you had left, I went to sleep. Go की second form went है. I went to sleep. I hope you will understand how we will do this activity. They take their breakfast after they wash their hands. They took their breakfast after they had washed their hand. After के बाद हमने perfect tense लगाना है, past perfect. They had washed, यहाँ पर took होगा. They took their breakfast. She not stay anything before he leave. She had not stayed anything before he left. She leave before the party began. She had left before the party began. She asked why we went to leave early. She asked why we had wanted to leave early. I asked her what place she visited in Europe. I asked her what place she visited to Europe. She had visited to Europe. The sun not rise before we be early to leave. बी की सेकंड फॉर्म आएगी. बिफोर आ रहा है, यहाँ पर हमने बी की सेकंड फॉर्म लगानी है जो वाज होती है. The sun had not risen before we was ready to leave. I never see snow before I go to Murray. I had never seen snow before I went to Murray. बिफोर के बाद हम सेकंड फॉर्म लगाएंगे. बिफोर I went to Murray, उससे पहले had not seen. They go home after he finished his work. They went home after he had finished his work. The bus stopped before we stepped out. The bus had stopped before we stepped out. I hope you have understand how we will do it. Before के बाद हमने second form लगानी है. अगर after आता है तो हमने had and third form of verb लगानी है. लेकिन after से पहले का जो sentence होगा उसमें हमने second form लगानी है. इसलिए यहाँ पर मैंने he went लगाया. He went home after. C D. The past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which had been taken on for some time and finished at some definite time in the past. So in this tense, the action is starting in past time but it is continue in some point of the past tense. यानी past time में किसी definite time में ये finish नहीं होगा. Time सी ongoing for some time यानी कुछ टाइम के लिए वो ongoing है यानी जारी है, continue है. and finished at some definite time in the past यानी उसके जो completion है वो किसी definite time में होगी past tense, past time के. सी she had been working since morning. had been and since and for इसमें आएगा. she had we write had in past tense. She had been working since morning. It had been raining since last night. They had been playing cards for 6 hours. He had been coming here since 1970. She had been visiting Europe since childhood. So all of these sentences tell us about past perfect continuous tense. We write since and for. We write had been and fourth form of verb. Our past present participle. First form plus ing. I hope you understand this activity. See the future tense. The future tense has 4 forms. We know future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. Today we will do just 2, future indefinite and future continuous tense. See the future indefinite. The future indefinite tense is used to describe a single act that is still to take place. ये सिंगल एक्ट है जो स्टिल टू टेक प्लेस है, जो इन फ्यूचर टाइम यानी फ्यूचर टाइम में जो एक्शन होगा और स्टिल टू टेक प्लेस अभी उसमें होना है उसको हम फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस कहेंगे. दे विल लीव फॉर लंदन टुमारो. सी वी राइट विल एंड शैल फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड वी राइट टुमारो, थर्सडे, नेक्स्ट मंडे. सो द अपकमिंग टाइम, द एक्शन विल बी डन इन अपकमिंग टाइम यानी जो आने वाला वक्त है उसमें एक्शन होगा, एक्शन टेक प्लेस होगा. सो दे विल लीव फॉर लंदन टुमारो कि वो कल जो है लंदन के लिए रवाना होंगे. द कोर्ट विल गिव इट्स वर्डिक्ट ऑन थर्सडे नेक्स्ट. आई शैल सी हिम नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग. द फ्यूचर कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस. द फ्यूचर कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस इज यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन एज गोइंग ऑन एट सम पॉइंट इन द फ्यूचर टाइम यानी वो फ्यूचर ऑन गोइंग होगा यानी जारी होगा, कंटिन्यू होगा, बट इन will be on some point in future time. The action will be continue in future time on some point. That will be future continuous tense. She will be taking. We will write will and shall, will be and shall be, and then first form plus ing. We are writing first form here, but we are writing here fourth form of verb are present participle. First form plus ing. We will be taking her lesson in music in the morning. I shall be reading the paper then. They shall be playing hockey at that time. These are the future continuous tense at some point यानी फ्यूचर के जो आने वाला टाइम है उसमें ये ऑन गोइंग होगा, कंटिन्यू होगा और इसमें जो है टाइम पीरियड दिया हुआ होगा, सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दिया हुआ है यानी म्यूजिक इन द मॉर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम है दैन एंड दैट टाइम सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इज गिवन. आई होप you have understand. See the exercise. Put the verb in brackets in the correct form of the future tense, simple, indefinite or continuous. First, you not understand it. You will not understand it. This watch not cost very much. This watch will not cost very much. She worked hard for the competition. She will work hard for the competition. I finished this exercise in an hour time. So time period is given, you will write I shall be finishing this exercise in an hour time. पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दिया गया है, यहाँ पर भी इन ऑन आवर्स टाइम, इसमें हम विल शैल बी लिखेंगे, आई शैल बी फिनिशिंग. सो हैव इज़ ऑलरेडी रिटन इज परफेक्ट टेंस, वी राइट आई शैल नॉट हैव मच मनी. What you do at 4? What will you do at 4? They travel all night. They will travel all night. I wait for you at the usual time. I shall be waiting for you at the usual time. She do her lesson in French in the morning. So point of time is given. She will be doing her lesson in French in the morning. So 9 sentences are given. I have done it. I hope you have understand how we will do the exercise or how we place the correct form of verb if we are given it in the पेपर में अगर हमारे पास पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एंड पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आ रहा है, उसमें हमें पता होना चाहिए कि इसमें कौन सा टेंस लगना है, विल लगना है, शैल लगना है, विल भी लगना है, शैल भी लगना है, एंड विच फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब वी विल राइट टू मेक करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. एंड सेम इज़ द केस इन past perfect continuous tense. If had is written had been, you will write ing form. If here before is given, after before the sentence will be past indefinite tense, and the rest of the first sentence will be past perfect tense. If after is given, after you will write had and third form of verb, and before it we will write past indefinite tense. I hope you will understand the activity. Try to do it to your own and try to understand all the tenses and rule of the tenses so that it will be helpful for you to revise your active and passive voice. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.